Squeeze 1 lemon and mix it with 1 TBS of olive oil. Drink this mixture in the morning and this is what will happen to your body. I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you wake up exhausted in the morning and don't have the energy for anything? Well, if your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. We're going to show you the best mixture of olive oil and lemon, which will help you detox and cleanse your body from all harmful toxins. You will feel refreshed and full of energy. But first, you should know that many people around the world use this mixture since ancient times to treat and prevent many different health problems. And trust me, you will be amazed when you find out what a simple tablespoon of olive oil and lemon can do for your health. I think that we all know that the olive oil is a basic part of the always beneficial Mediterranean diet. It provides essential fatty acids that allow us to confront, for example, the so-called bad cholesterol. It is also an excellent way to cleanse the body of toxins. It was called liquid gold by the Greeks and Romans, who appreciated its value. Olive oil should be an essential element in our daily diet. And, when it comes to lemon, we can easily say that it's one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. It's loaded with many healthy nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, and it can provide many health benefits. The experts say that you can use this powerful combo to treat and prevent many different health problems, such as 1. To fight constipation. Well, yes, the experts say that if you combine olive oil with lemon, you will attain a lubricant for the digestive mucus and in turn activate the function of the liver and gallbladder. You should also know that this simple, but extremely effective remedy protects us from the inside, acting as a powerful antioxidant able to get rid of toxins, purify and care for the body. All this activates digestion and helps in eliminating everything that we do not need. 2. Against cardiovascular problems. As we said before, the olive oil is loaded with fatty acids, which are extremely important for our body to reactivate the circulation and remove the excess bad cholesterol. This combo also has powerful healing properties, which means that it's very useful against cardiovascular problems. 3. Against rheumatic problems. As we said, this combo has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. If you consume this combo every day on an empty stomach, it will help you against your joint pain. Yes, and this means that you should definitely try this powerful combo. 4. To balance out the bile of the liver and gallbladder. Consuming this mixture in the morning, on empty stomach, may discourage the growth of gallstones. Drinking a mixture of lemon, olive oil and water an hour before eating breakfast can flush and help detoxify your gallbladder, liver and kidneys. Bottom line, olive oil and lemon are used individually as health and beauty remedies and, in combination, for a variety of conditions and health complaints. Olive oil is a natural oil derived from the olive fruit. Because extra virgin olive oil only requires minimal treatment and handling during the extraction process, nutrients are preserved, and the pure oil is rich in minerals and vitamins. Lemons are vitamin C rich and provide vitamin B, proteins, potassium, carbohydrates and phosphorus. Lemons also contain flavonoids, which have antioxidant qualities. And, when you combine these two powerful ingredients together, you will make the most powerful combo, which you can use it to treat and prevent many different health problems.